Welcome. Let's look at all the major developments that has happened in the crypto industries. What if I tell you that you can run your Bitcoin mine without buying all those expensive processors or GPUs and spending a ton on power? That's exactly what Luxor has built. Luxor has launched a hosting marketplace for Bitcoin miners, where customers will be able to purchase hosting services for their mining rigs. Luxor will essentially play the role of a broker, matching miners that need machines into a hosting provider. A hosting is a service that data centers provide to crypto miners to store their ASICs, which are basically specifically designed processors for mining activity, where the miners can mine their preferred digital assets for a fee without having to build their accompanying infrastructure on their own. These Bitcoin mining hosting can provide miners with more favorable power rates than they can get at home. These hosting services mostly operate on a revenue sharing or a profit sharing agreement. This hosting marketplace launched by Luxor will especially help miners who are starting out and have limited capital. However, currently this service is available only in US and Canada. Let me take you back to your childhood when you were 10 or 15 and used to make random scribblings or paintings of things that came to your imagination. What if I tell you that these random scribblings or paintings you could have sold in an NFT marketplace, and there are buyers, legit buyers who would have bought that? Well, Zigazu, a social networking app for kids, had sold out 4 NFT drops from vetted children's brands and talents. The app has raised $17 million to further its Web3 ambition. Zigazu is planning to expand their Web3 offerings while building towards becoming a leading social network for kids to interact directly with creators and brands. The so-called cryptocurrencies or digital currencies that are under development by governments may not be available across the globe. Governments may restrict foreign access to their CBDCs. The central bank digital currencies won't be a silver bullet that will solve issues such as cross-border payments. The interpolabilities of these currencies are not going to be that easy. One major reason that complicates this interpolability is the level of access governments will be willing to provide to their CBDCs. How much individuals will be allowed to hold, whether tourists will be able to use it to make payments. It will be a more efficient and open system if foreign payment service providers had access to CBDCs around the world. But some countries would find that to be too risky. A recent storm has forced Bitcoin miner Marathon's majority of mining operations to go offline. The company had about 30,000 miners deployed in Montana, representing over 75% of company's active fleet. The miners are likely to remain offline until the damaged power generating facility can be repaired. Marathon has put out a tweet giving update on the current situation of mining operations. Investment firm Cypherpunk Holdings have sold all its Bitcoin and Ether owing to current market conditions. The publicly listed firm has transitioned its treasury to cash amid the increased market volatility and is adopting a wait and watch policy until the cryptocurrency's prices settles down. Looking at Bitcoin's chart, Bitcoin's price is now heading towards breaking its support at 19,780. The crypto should see some buying activity at 19,780. Any slide beyond 19,780 will take its price down to 17,642. Drawing insight from bear market cycles from 2013 and 2017, which saw 85% drawdown of Bitcoin, Arcane Research has predicted Bitcoin's price to stoop as low as 10,350. As you can see in the current chart, the cycle keeps repeating every 3-4 years. However, John Bollinger, the creator of Bollinger Bands, has indicated that Bitcoin's price may have bottomed as the price is currently touching the lower end of this Bollinger Band and a sharp bounce back from these levels can be seen. I advise all our viewers to take this information objectively and do their own research before putting their own hard-earned money into the markets. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to us and like this video and share it to more and more people whom you want to be educated about the crypto market.